Hey everyone, it's Gan from Peppy's Tech Suit, and today we'll be setting up a brand new AirTag. So AirTags were revealed a few months ago, and they basically are a cool tracker that uses Apple's Find My network, the massive network of Apple devices, and it's kind of taking over basically what Tile was doing. So today we'll be just unboxing this and setting this up and seeing how it works. Alright, so your AirTag box, pretty simple Apple box as per usual. Alright, so the instructions here are pretty simple, but I'll just walk through them with you in case you've never done this before or it's a bit confusing for you. But make sure that your iPhone or iPad is at iOS or iPadOS 14.5 or newer to make these AirTags work. And some of the features you do need the newer iPhones to work on, but with just setting up the AirTags and using them in their most basic way, you just need to have an iPhone or iPad with 14.5 or newer. Alright, so I have the AirTag here. Put this off to the side. Alright, I'm just going to take this plastic thing off. Ooh, that's fun. It's a fun sound. Alright, so here's the AirTag. Pretty plain, pretty small. There's a famous Apple logo and all that. Alright, so now that I heard that sound, I'm just gonna open up this iPhone I have here. So this is the 12 Pro Max, so all the features should be working on this. So just like the AirPod connections, you see this thing pop up. I'm gonna click connect here. Okay, so here you can name your AirTag. Here you have some basic things that people use AirTags for. I mean, you can use it for a lot of things. I know some people are even using them on like dog collars. You can even give it a custom name. I'm gonna do keys here. So it has your AirTag, your Apple ID and everything. Just gonna set that up. Press continue with your email and phone number. All right, it's got my name and keys. So that's what we're calling this. All right, and it's showing my exact location and everything. Precision finding, so we could use with the iPhone 11 and newer, just the 11 series and 12 series, you can do the precision finding. Play sound, that should work with any iPhone that's compatible with, and viewing it in maps. So you can see that my iPhone and my AirPods Pro are located here. So for items, so those are devices, I'm gonna go to items. And once I click items, you can see that my keys are there too. And it's showing the exact address and everything. It's pretty cool. So I'm just gonna click those. So once you click on the AirTags, again, because I set them up as keys, it has a key icon there. So once I do this, I have all these options here. Play sound, this again will be available on pretty much any iPhone or iPad that supports this. The find nearby, you pretty much need the newer iPhones, 11 and higher. And you have the notifications, lost mode is there. You can rename the keys, or the AirTags from keys to whatever you want to rename it to, and you can remove it. So let's just try out the first thing, the sound. Let's see how that works. Absolute banger. All right, that's always fun. So I have that here. And of course, one of those features that we really saw advertised with these AirTags is that find nearby thing. So I don't have much room to do it here, but I can just show you real quick what it looks like. Again, this works on the newer iPhones. So if you do this, come close to it and it shows you, here it is. Okay. But yeah, there's that. Alright, so let me just put this cheapo Amazon AirTag loop that I got for $10. Again, so the actual AirTags in Canada cost $40, and the official Apple keychain, leather keychains for the AirTags are $45. So it doesn't make sense to pay more for the accessory than the actual product for me. So I just got this cheap one. It's like $10. A lot better price if you ask me. In terms of quality, feels alright. Doesn't feel astonishingly great or anything, but doesn't feel too cheap. Alright, so I'm just gonna pop this AirTag right in here. Alright, and there's the cheapo AirTag keychain holder from Amazon. I don't think it's real leather or anything, but honestly I don't care. As long as it holds my AirTags to my keys, it works for me. $10, can't be beat. Alright, so that's it. That's just how to set up your AirTags. Very simple process. It's like setting up your AirPods or AirPods Pro. Shouldn't take more than a minute or two. But yeah, if you do want me to do a proper test for looking for my AirTags, maybe outdoors in a park and around the town, something like that, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please stay subscribed for more content, and I will catch you next time.